In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Canva. If you often find yourself spending considerable time on your projects in Canva, you might have noticed that the bright interface can sometimes strain your eyes, especially during those late night sessions. The good news is, Canva offers a dark mode feature that can help reduce eye strain and make your creative process more comfortable. So let's dive into how you can switch to dark mode in just a few easy steps. First, we're going to start by heading to our Canva homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on your profile will open up a drop-down menu. From this menu, you're going to select Settings. It's in the settings where we can make various adjustments to tailor Canva to fit our personal preferences. Now that you're in the settings, direct your attention to the Accessibility section. Accessibility settings are incredibly useful for ensuring that Canva is not only visually appealing, but also comfortable and less straining on the eyes. Within the accessibility options, you'll find various settings that you can tweak, but our primary focus today will be on the Theme section. This is where Canva keeps its options for light or dark mode. In the Theme section, you should see the option to select Dark. When you choose dark mode, it will immediately change the background of your Canva interface from light to dark. This swap in colors is designed to reduce the amount of blue light emitted from your screen, creating a more soothing and less glaring workspace for your eyes. It's particularly beneficial if you find yourself working in low light conditions or simply prefer a darker aesthetic. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Canva, making your designing sessions less harsh on your eyes and perhaps even more visually appealing, depending on your preference. Remember, you can always return to the same settings page if you wish to toggle back to the light theme at any point. So there you have it, a quick and simple guide to turning on dark mode in Canva. I hope you found this video helpful and that it enhances your design experience. If you have any other tips or settings you'd like to explore, feel free to dive deeper into Canva's settings. Customizing your workspace to best suit your needs can make a big difference in how you interact with the platform. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing.